Okay, let's take 20% of 1,000. So the way I think about this is I know that 20% of 100, that's 20. So 20% of 1,000, we're going to add another 0 there, and we're going to get 200. So 20% of 1,000 is 200. Another way to think about it is it's 20%. So percent means over 100 or per 100. So we could also call of, let's call that multiplication here, and call it 1,000 over 1. It's still 1,000, but everything lines up real nice. And we just multiply. 20 times 1,000, that equals 20,000. 100 times 1, that equals 100. So now if we divide, we would get 200 over 1, which is 200. That's what we found before. Another way you could do it is divide 20 by 100. You'll get 0.2. Multiply that by 1,000, and that gives you 200. This is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.